For over 30 years, Aurim has dedicated itself to providing, on a daily basis, products with certified quality to its customers. That process includes a series of tests that are done at the company's own professional-level testing laboratory. Every product goes through a distinct testing procedure, comprised of several technical analyses, depending on the kind of material to be tested. For instance, wool, leather, microfiber, or nanotechnology fabrics. At first, a generic visual check is done by a trained operator, so as to verify that design patterns, color shades, width, length, packaging, and eventual defects are within our quality standards. Once past the first phase, common to all product categories, a sample of the product is taken to the laboratory for more accurate testing. After having its weight recorded, the sample undergoes its first technical measurement on the abrasion tester, which is able to determine the fabric's resistance to both abrasion and pilling. Those annoying little fuzzy balls that tend to build with time and wear. In the case of leather and eco-leather, instead, Aurim regularly uses the flexometer in order to measure the product's resistance to repeated flexing. The samples are tested both before and after having been conditioned inside a climatic chamber with controlled temperature and humidity that simulates hydrolysis, an accelerated aging process. The product remains inside the chamber for 336 hours, returning afterwards to the flexometer for further testing. All fabrics also have their tensile properties and slippage resistance at a seam measured on a dynamometer. An automated device connected to a computer program that quantifies the pulling strength applied, the elongation of the sample during the test, and the final opening of the seam. Color and shade also take part in the evaluation process, through which every fabric must go before being launched in the market. Aurim uses several instruments to monitor them. A light box, which allows for the control of the differences between production samples and the master reference. A sun test system used to verify color fastness to light, and a croc meter, which measures color fastness to rubbing, both wet and dry. In order to simulate and test for regular domestic care procedures, all products go through machine washing, tumble drying, and then ironing. Every fabric is a unique entity, just like a living being, with its own particular set of features, like its fibrous nature. Fibers may be too small for the naked eye, so Aurim carefully examines them under a microscope on a daily basis. Once the entire itinerary inside the laboratory is finished, every single tested sample is catalogued and archived, and all the resulting data is registered, both on paper records and on a computer database system, assuring long-term traceability and real-time consultation by all company operators. Quality control sheets with physical test samples of eco-leather and other coated fabrics are kept for 2 years, while those of other types of products are kept for 6 months. The ability to daily test each product with careful precision and scientifically proven techniques allows Aurim to guarantee to all its customers product quality, reliability, and professionalism, resulting in a complete, personalized, 360-degree service that is truly faithful to Aurim's history of excellence, made in Italy.